Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff Barbecue. Well, today we've got a request actually from the grandbabies. They wanted chicken legs cooked on the grill. So today we're going to use the little gadget called the Vortex. It's a gift that I got for Christmas. I haven't tried it yet. So we're going to throw it out there on the little Webber Kettle, fire it up, and see how it does. So hang tight. Okay, so what we got is we got a few legs we're going to take and put a little rub on. I'm not going to cover them too much, but we're going to give them a good dusting. And let's turn them over and get both sides. Okay. Get the other side. This is a rub I use a good bit. But, all right, so let's take them out and we'll go outside and get our fire ready. Okay, this is a brand new Vortex. It's never been used before. And we're gonna pour our charcoal. On top of it, like that. We're going to stir it around a little bit. Now that was a chimney full of charcoal. And take the rack and put on top of it. And it's, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches down below it. And we just poured it on the bottom. We're gonna put the lid on it with it wide open. We're gonna let it come up to temperature, brush it down, and then we'll put our chicken on. Okay, we got our grate on, got it brushed off, and we're gonna take just a little bit of apple wood here and put down in the Vortex. You see it flaming up already. I want just a little bit of smoke in it, and that is like a volcano coming out of there, that is for sure. All right, let's put the chicken on. We're going to arrange this chicken around the outside ring here. And I think we'll be able to get it all on here easy enough toward the outside. One more. All right, got the chicken on there. I'm gonna close them up, and I'm gonna shut this vent down to about a third open. And we're gonna let the temperature come up and we're gonna keep an eye on it. We're gonna go to an internal temp of 170 to 175. That's dark meat, so I wanna cook it, but we're gonna keep an eye on it and we'll bring you back. Okay, we've been going about 30 minutes or so. Let's take, oh yeah, these are looking okay. Well, I tell you what, let's roll all of these over. Now, I did take a peek at them a little bit earlier, and I had turned them all in this direction so the fat part of the leg is facing the Vortex. So, all right, let's put the top back on him and we'll let him go. Okay, well, we've hit our temp. We're about 175 on most of these, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put just a little bit of glaze on these and let this glaze sit just a little bit. About lost my light. I hope you can see what we're doing. This is just a regular barbecue sauce that we like. We use it a lot. As you can see, I'm not putting a ton on it. I'm just putting a light glaze. It took these a little longer than I expected, and I just used a chimney full of charcoal, so and it didn't quite fill it up. That might have been part of my problem, is it kind of got off to a slow start, but it came on strong there at the end, and so we finally got it up. I'm gonna put this back on and let this glaze sit, and I probably am gonna do the other side, so I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, giving them a few minutes on that side. Let's roll them over. All right, now let's do the same thing on the other side. Get a little glaze on this side on each one of them. And we'll brush them out. These ought to be good. They smell good, but I say that about everything, I guess. All right, there we go. Put the top back on. We'll let that set for a few minutes, and when we take them off, we'll take them in and bring you back. Okay, so they've been off the grill about 10 minutes or so. We'll let them cool down just a little bit. Let them rest. Well, let's try a bite and see what we got here. Yep. That's good. Let's try another bite. They're still good, juicy, moist. You can taste the smoke. Goes good. That rub and that barbecue sauce goes together. I've used it before. They work well together. So that is our first attempt with the Vortex on the Webber grill. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit this button over here. We'll have another video on this side for you. Until next time, hang tight.